Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna share with you how I made this boneless chicken korma. It's a one pot dish and I used my Instantpot, which is a pressure cooker and slow cooker all in one. So when you plug it in, it says off, then you press the saute button and adjust it with this adjust button. First I'm gonna start with more, that's like on a high flame, and then I added 2 onions and half a cup of oil. I'm frying these onions until nice and golden brown, then I'm gonna let them cool down so they become nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna add my defrosted bite-sized cut boneless chicken. Normally I add my whole spices and garlic ginger paste first, but because it was frozen meat, so I had to put this first so all the water dries out. Now I'm adding salt into it and then garlic and ginger paste. Once water dries out and my chicken is like nice and golden, I'm gonna push chicken aside and I'm adding my dry spices, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom and some bay leaves along with 1 cinnamon stick, 4 cloves and 1 teaspoon of black pepper whole. Now I'm adding my homemade garam masala, 1 tablespoon. You can check the video, I'll link it down below. Now I'm adding 1 star anise and nutmeg. I'm just gonna grate it half, just like that. Now I'm adding cumin seed, half tablespoon, crushed coriander, 1 tablespoon, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon or to taste, organic turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon. It's very important to use organic, so that it doesn't have any color into it. Mix it up. Now I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt. I'm using Greek style. I don't want my yogurt to get burnt straight away, so I'm gonna adjust the temperature into normal, just like that, to the normal, which means like medium heat. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of kevra water. Now I'm gonna crush those onions. They're nice and cool now. These onions will give nice brown color to the korma as well. Keeping it on the medium heat, now I'm gonna put the lid on it. I'm using this glass lid. Now after a few minutes, as you can see, yogurt has released the water and the oil as well. I think it's almost done. If you like more gravy into it, just add a little bit of more water. So in this Instantpot, it's got keep warm setting, but because I'm gonna serve it now, so I'll just turn it off. At the end, I'm adding some little bit of butter. If you don't like, you can just skip it, but it gives a nice flavor to it. Now I'm gonna garnish it with green chilies, coriander and freshly ginger, which I just cut it julienne. So that's it for now guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can serve this with pitta bread, rice or jacket potato, anything really. So bye for now.